Our fabrication protocol is based on the electrodeposition within nano-porous aluminum oxide, which is the only method that can give the nanowires properties we need.
The main advantage of this technique is it facilitates a simple and fast fabrication of highly ordered nanoporous aluminum oxide templates with a wide range of pore sizes.
Magnetic nanomaterials have attracted a lot of interest due to their bioapplication. It can be used for in vivo or in vitro diagnosis, or even for the treatment of medical conditions.
These methods require a considerable amount of effort and time to obtain reproducible results. Follow the protocol carefully and practice to achieve a good outcome.
After washing the aluminum discs 3 times with deionized water, use tweezers to transfer the discs into an acetone wash, followed by an isopropyl alcohol wash, and 4 deionized water washes. After the last water wash, sonicate the discs in acetone for 10 minutes. After 3 washes in deionized water, use dressing forceps to immerse the cleaned aluminum templates in a beaker containing 4°C electropolishing solution and a platinum mesh electrode. Connect the aluminum disc to the positive terminal and the platinum mesh electrode to the negative terminal of the power supply. Then apply a voltage of 20 volts while the current is limited to 2 amps. Polish the discs for 3 minutes at 400.